Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but it's 4:13 in the morning. I have this beside me and this beside me. This is the time that we wake up every morning. Rain, sunny, shiny, windy, doesn't matter. Every day is this. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is our morning wake up. I get a bath, get the running back and forth, and it's time to get up. So we'll get up and we'll start making coffee. Look at that dirty counter. The dogs are right here. So we'll grab the cup of coffee, make the long walk a shame. Took me a little bit longer to get around this morning. It looks like the sun's gonna come up. You guys went out? Catch the ball. Back up. Stay. Stay. Okay, go. So yeah, start off with a cup of coffee. Got the old man here. These two are ready to go and play and all that stuff. As there's the ball. And we do the little morning run around and get them all energized up, let them go to the restroom, get some energy just burn off. Sometimes we cheat and we just kick the ball. And this is the way the morning begins. A little ball throwing for a little while, then after that, then it's just some calm down time, and then we start our day after I polish off the coffee to get the energy level as high as theirs, I guess.